Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Datadog monitors for SaaS uptime and performance, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Datadog account. Navigate to the monitors section from the left-hand sidebar. Click on the New Monitor button to create a new monitor. Choose the type of monitor that fits your SaaS application needs. Select the appropriate monitor type, such as uptime, APM, or logs. Configure the query settings to track the specific service or endpoint. Set the threshold values for alerting, based on your performance criteria. Define the notification settings for when alerts are triggered. Choose how you want to be alerted, via email, Slack, or other integrations. Fill in the monitor name and provide a clear description for future reference. Review the settings to ensure everything is correct and aligned with your goals. Click on Save to create the monitor. To update existing monitors, return to the Monitors section. Select the monitor you wish to update from the list. Click on the Edit button to make necessary changes. Modify the query, thresholds, or notification settings as required. Be sure to adjust the alert conditions in line with any performance changes. After making your updates, review them for accuracy. Then, click on the Save button to apply the changes. You will receive a confirmation that the monitor has been updated successfully. Regularly check your monitors to ensure they function as intended. Review performance metrics and update thresholds if necessary over time. Utilize Datadog's dashboard to visualize your monitor's performance data. Engage with the alerts to respond promptly to any issues that may arise. By following these steps, you'll keep your Datadog monitors updated and maximize your SaaS uptime and performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.